Is it now?
Yeah.
It's going to be just a short one. A long one.
A short one.
You'll say 1 minute.
Yeah.
I took a photo. Why so weird? Active. I can toggle the vents. Will you keep an eye on this camera?
Yeah.
As you can see how much power I got. You don't know why I got limited power on that. We'll just keep an eye on cam 1.